how to fix the error code LC-208 in Overwatch 2. This error signifies a network issue. So the first thing that you need to do is check if the actual Overwatch servers are down. So the way you're gonna do that is head over to your browser, type in downdetector.com and type in Overwatch 2. As you can see, currently there are no problems because here, if you look closely enough, it's 0, 5, 10, 15 to 20. That means how many people are complaining right now. This isn't a lot. If it gets to the hundreds or thousands of people, then you know there's a server issue and it's not your fault. It's just the fault with the Overwatch servers, and the best thing that you can do is wait. Now, if the Overwatch servers are fine, you can try changing servers. For example, if you play somewhere in the Americas, you can try playing in the European server. Basically, check your internet connection, reboot your PC and internet hardware. The other thing that you can do is check if your firewall is actually blocking the connection to Overwatch 2. So for this, you're gonna have to search up firewall and go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here, select allow an app through Windows Firewall and click change settings, allow another app, click browse, and basically find the Overwatch folder. Go to the disk where your Overwatch is located, program files, the other one with the ×86, find Overwatch. Here it is. Select Overwatch launcher and click add. Click OK. And that's how to fix the error code LC-280 in Overwatch 2.